Mrs. Meenakshi. Like many of you, I'm juggling a demanding job with aspiration for career growth. I've always wanted to enhance my skills for even switch sector or improve my chances of working abroad. But with a busy schedule, it's hard to find the right time and resources. And that's when I found ABHISHEK Coaching. They provide flexible online courses tailored for working professionals like us. If you are looking to upgrade skills for IT sector, digital marketing, creative writings, and specialist in training for sectors and industries like BPO and call center, they have got it all. And if you are planning to apply jobs in abroad and want to learn new languages like French, German, Spanish, Arabic, and so on, they have trainers including HR manager and corporate trainers in India and all around the world. And the best part is you can join the class whenever it fits your schedule. And I have already started my journey with them, and it's been a total game changer for my career growth. So if you are looking to move forward professionally, I highly recommend you ABHISHEK Coaching.